Hi guys, my name is Osama. In this video I'm talking about NordVPN. So let's get started. Hi guys, I'm talking about NordVPN. First of all, I tell you why I choose NordVPN for you because so many VPNs here in the market. So the main reason is that because NordVPN give you best quality services with low price plan. And I give you the link on the description. You can check it out. Right now you will purchase it, you can get 70% off. Okay, so let me copy this link and paste it. Now you come on to this page. Yeah, got it. Now you come on to this page and let me show you how you purchase it. As you can see, you can click on that button, just get that deal. And as I told you before, you can get 70% off for 3-year plan. It's very low price. You can see over here it's $3.49. That's really amazing. And you can check it other plan as well if you want to purchase it, but I really recommend you purchase it that plan because it's very low price, $3.49. Okay, so how you can purchase it? You can just only click on continue to payment and write your email and fill the form and then click on continue option and you easily purchase it. Okay, let's go back and I show you the benefit and features of this VPN. First feature I really like it's speed, because NordVPN have 5700 plus ultra fast VPN servers to enjoy fast and stable connection anywhere. And second best thing that I really love it is privacy IP protection. As you can see, you can easily just pick any NordVPN server and browse under cover of its IP address, so your IP and location will remain a secret. That means no one can see you what you're doing. Okay, that's really amazing. And let me show you guys another best thing that's I really like it. It's 30 days money back guarantee. You can see over here NordVPN give you 30 days money back guarantee. That's really amazing. That means you can try out these services without any risk to your wallet. If you are not 100% satisfied, tell NordVPN help center within 30 days of the purchase date and get a full refund. That's really amazing. And also this VPN give you best benefit. You can connect your all devices to this VPN at the same time. And I really suggest you this VPN give you best opportunity. So why are you waiting for? Go ahead and purchase it. This VPN give you best opportunity, and I hope this video will help you out. So don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you will get my latest updates. So thank you for watching my video. I will see you on my next video. Bye now.